The future of coaching is here, and I do not want you, as a listener of mine, to lose out on such a golden opportunity because scaling your income as a coach can be difficult. But with my new strategy of scaling your income with a paid community as well as selling an info product, this will be very easy for you and is a golden opportunity that every coach should take advantage of in the year 2024. So I will be talking about a 6 to 7 figure business opportunity here, which will be more money than you will ever need. Do you dream of flexibility and freedom? Making something once and it pays you for the rest of your life? Do you want to build your brand and get extra perks by making it extra scalable? Getting something started like this is actually really inexpensive. Do you want something that makes you lots of money, giving you lots of free time, and making your clients one of the most successful in your industry? So let me share with you what are some of the costs of not taking advantage of this right now. So you'll basically be losing out on lots of revenue. Every day, there'll be increased competition if you do not take action. There'll be less autonomy on your side, as well as less personal and brand development on your side as well. So you may be wondering, like, what do I do to get started and how can I help my clients with this business structure, right? So essentially, what you're doing is that you're helping someone to get from zero to hero, right? As a coach, you may need to ask yourself, how do you get them from zero to hero? So you do this through having a self-paced course, a private community, as well as a weekly live Zoom. Imagine hundreds of people paying you $100 a month, right? That's just 100 people paying you $100 a month. That's already $10,000 a month just from your paid community and your info product. So all you need to do is build this once, and this whole system will last you your lifetime and will continue to pay you every single day like clockwork. All you need to do is to build the system, attract the clients, and convert them. So I want you, the listener of this video, to be the first to take part in such a transformation. I hope that you, as my audience, listen to this and feel a sense of hope and the urge to take action because this opportunity is not going to be here forever. And now is the time. Now that you're watching this video, it's not by coincidence as well. I want you to transform your life as a coach. As others struggle, you emerge on top with my help, and your determination and expertise can make this happen. If you're ready to start making an impact with my secret formula and you are ready to make a change of your life, I want you to click the link in the description and DM me on Instagram. I'm ready to get started with me, or you can drop me an email as well, and we can get connected and let me show you how this secret formula works and how we can scale your income in 2024 and beat the competition. I want you to take the opportunity right now and scale your income in 2024 with me. So if you're excited on this opportunity, do contact me and drop me an email and or a DM. I'll be excited to share with you more. See you there.